Greetings. This is John Joseph Xavier Cihon, and I'm coming at you from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Today I've got a sneaker. I got it in my hands early, and some people are already saying this is the sneaker of the year before most people even have it. This is the Maniére Jordan 1. And I'll unbox it in just a bit, but before I do, please slap that like button. And if you want to be notified about more videos like this, hit subscribe. It's a little thing, but it does really help me. It helps the channel grow. And as well, there are links where you can leave a tip if you choose. It's always appreciated, never expected. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's take a look. So these just showed up in the mail. I want to raffle for in-store access, an in-store raffle, and then they actually mail them out. So the first thing I noticed is this has a sort of a clear plastic container around the box. Jordan Brand used to do this for the Jordan 11s, and we've seen the cool gray Jordan 11 that's going to come out on December 11th does not have this. So right away, this is a little something special. And so the old original style Jordan 1 box, but with Maniére colors. We have the logo on right here. And this plastic coating with the Maniére symbol is overlaid on it in a pattern. So right away, this isn't just your normal Air Jordan 1. Here's the box. And we have the original Jumpman image on the inside of the box. The Jordan 1 image from 1985 with the Maniére overlaid on it. So it does look like they're really going all out with the packaging. The paper, again with the Maniére logos. And now the sneakers. Now, in hand, this is a rough suede. It's always really rough. And then this looks like snakeskin. I think it's just normal leather that's embossed to look like snakeskin. So, I know someone I showed this to said it didn't look all that special, but the material is the difference. We have a rough suede. It looks like it's going to be pretty durable and higher quality materials than we're used to from Air Jordan. We have the pre-faded yellowed sole, pretty nice. Burgundy laces here, sail or cream colored laces with the metal tips. So that's pretty nice. And this tongue is the same suede. We have the Maniére right here. So, you know, no big surprises if you've had a Jordan 1. But it's a very clean colorway. You could wear this with almost anything. And I've never seen a Jordan 1 made with this sort of stiff, rough suede the way this one is. And it says sail. I suspect it's going to fade over time, maybe be a little bit more gray looking. We have a leather hang tag here. So the leather Air Jordan hang tag, you can turn it into a keyring if you want. Oh, we have so the back is smooth, has Maniére. Front is rough, has the Air Jordan logo. And let's see, so just one extra pair of shoelaces. And yeah, these are really nice. These would be a good, a little bit dressier because of the material, so you could dress them up a little bit. But it still is an Air Jordan 1, and you can basically wear this with anything. Uh, the burgundy, I think, is a color that denotes luxury a little bit more than the red, than the original red. So they wanted to keep it a shade of red and call back. So extremely nice sneakers. Props to Maniére. It was apparently pretty easy to get these through their website as well. So a lot of access. If you want to get these and you missed out, don't buy yet because resale is going to come down. People haven't gotten their pairs from the website yet, and it is going to release on the sneakers app in early December too. So wait until it releases on sneakers, and I think prices are going to come down. Now, if you want to do the quick flip, do it now. Otherwise, if you're buying these shoes to flip, hold them a while. Either flip like right now or hold them because the prices will come down, which is great news if you want to buy. Which is one of the things, there's so many hype sneaker releases are just hard to get. I see these sneakers on the internet, the Union, the Off-Whites, whatever. I can't get them. So, in order for a release to really hit, I think that it has to be at least somewhat accessible for the average sneakerheads, not just influencers and people who have $1,000 to spend on resale. These were accessible. Maniére let us get these through the website. Not everybody got them. A lot of people got them, though. A lot of people got them. And Maniére on their website, they sent you to another domain to actually buy these. And I think the domain was something like buyyourshoesandwearthem.com or something like that. They want you to wear these. They want these to be relatively accessible. So, again, maybe not the flashiest looking sneaker, but the Air Jordan 1 is a pretty timeless sneaker design. And we have neutral colors, nice materials. So these are a keeper. I do like these a lot. So let me know if you got them. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And again, if you haven't done so yet, slap that like button, subscribe. Leave a tip if you're able to do so. And thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed making the video. I enjoyed getting a chance to give all you guys an early look at these. I was pretty excited to get these. And again, thank you so much. Happy holidays. Have a great day.